We all love a good car wash, but let's face it, during the cold winter months, interior cleaning is often forgotten or postponed, especially if you don't have access to a heated garage. Even though my wife and I are the only ones that use this car, we don't have any pets or kids or anything like that in here, I'm just always amazed at just how filthy this car can actually get. So, the surfaces are always covered in dust. Something might leak out of a grocery bag, and of course, the dreaded salt that gets into the carpet. First, I like to just take everything out of the car, set aside the floor mats, and throw out any trash. I like to do an initial vacuum of the carpet just to suck up any debris and minimize the amount of dust while moving around the car. Be sure to move the seats all the way back so you can get underneath. Use a stiff brush to start to break down the larger salt crystals and kick up the dirt from the carpet. Next, I'll clean the dashboard and steering wheel. I'm using Adam's interior cleaner on a microfiber cloth. For the air vents and the spaces around the buttons, a small brush works great. Just be careful not to saturate the electronics. The brush is also perfect for steering wheels with leather stitching. Brush the surface and then wipe it dry. Moving on to the seats, I vacuum along the seams to pick up any dirt before moving on to the interior cleaner. Again, a small brush works great on the stitching on the seams. Once all the surfaces have been cleaned, I like to use a bit of Ammo leather conditioner on the seats and the dash. Now I know the seats in this car technically aren't real leather, but I still like using the Ammo leather conditioner on them. I just feel like it really brings out the depth of the black color, and it doesn't leave the seats looking greasy like a lot of other products out there. Alright, so now that we have all the fun stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and tackle the salt here in the carpet. Now previously I would use a 50% mix of water and vinegar, but what happens is it ends up leaving your car smelling like vinegar for 2 weeks. So today I'm just going to try pure water, hot water by the way. I want to put an emphasis on that. I just microwave this for 2 minutes, so it's like actually at the point where it's almost uncomfortable to hold. So very hot water, hopefully this helps melt the salt, and then we'll be good to go. You really want the vacuum to do a lot of the work here. Use the water sparingly and switch between scrubbing and vacuuming. You don't want to completely saturate the carpet or it'll take forever to dry. Finally, I'll give the floor mat some love. Since these are rubber, I'm actually just going to take them out and wash them in the sink to rinse the salt off. Then I'll scrub them with my interior cleaner. Alright guys, well I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning up the rest of the interior, but I really hope that you enjoyed these tips today. Maybe leave a comment down below and let me know some of your own tips for cleaning car interiors, especially after winter here. And of course all the products that I used today will be linked down in the description. I was really impressed with this Adams leather interior cleaner. I always assumed that the shininess like on the steering wheel and the shifter and stuff, I just assumed that was like the natural leather wearing out, but it turns out it was just like the oils from my hands, and this stuff took it right off. So really impressed with this. The link for this will be down below. So thanks for watching guys. Just give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.